Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And I decided to make this video. Someone that is viewing videos on this channel has sent me an email and wanted me to talk about the scam going on. Because right now there are ads going on, even on YouTube and on many websites that is just untrue. So what they do is they're telling you that, hey, you know what? You can have this extraordinary 30 terabyte, 64 terabyte, whatever terabyte SSD drive for a incredible low price. And this offer is only exclusive to online. Nobody sells that in any stores. And there's a reason for that. This is a scam. Do not buy any of these that are cheap like that. So, for example, I clicked the 128 terabyte gold S portable SSD, and it's $63.05, which is impossible, which is totally impossible. You know, um, this is a big scam. The reason that um, people fall for it is what they do is they rewrite the firmware of the controller. So when you plug it in to a PC on Windows, Windows will read the controller to see what's the SSD size. And it will actually display, oh, you've got 128 terabytes. Problem is that number is fake. In reality, what they do is that inside this thing is a SD card. And often it is something like, 128 gigabytes. And so when you plug this in, you have, in essence, just 128 gigabytes. And when you try to write big files that will go higher than 128 gigabytes, because you think you have 128 terabytes, what happens is that it rewrites over the other files that you already had on the drive. So this is a totally fake thing. I can't believe companies are letting this ad go through. Actually, one of the things that I would recommend when you have an ad on YouTube or on any platform and you know that it is a scam, you can report that ad to the platform. And if enough people actually report the ad, this will make sure that the ad is removed. So I will actually take the time to report that ad when I see it. So this is just crazy. This is completely fake stuff. Here it says that it's from Walmart Canada. So imagine Walmart Canada's this actually has this page with these fake drives on them. This is incredible. I just can't believe that you have all of that um, advertised when it's such a fake scam. So just be very careful, very careful. There aren't any magical low price terabyte drives. If you want to have, a 2, 3, 4 terabyte drive, you're going to pay the big price for it, especially now with the SSD drives also going up in prices compared to, to what it was in the past. So stay away from those. They are fake and they will not give you 30 terabytes or whatever advertised size for an SSD drive. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.